Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to record slow motion video on your iPhone. Now if you're a subscriber, you might notice that there's this box in the background, right? That's because I unboxed this iOS 8 iPhone 6 and yeah, I've got a lot of jailbreak tweaks on it. If you want to see the unboxing, let me know in the comments. If you're non-sub and you're interested in that as well, just let me know in the comments. And if you want to see the jailbreak tweaks I installed and the jailbreak process, just let me know. Smash like on this video. If this video gets 50 likes in a week, I will upload all of those videos. Also just spam the comment section to improve, the video's performance. And let's get started. So first of all, what we want to do is we're going to open up settings and we're going to scroll down until we see camera. And then here we go. Record slow-mo, and we get to choose the quality at which we record slow motion video. So we'll tap on this and we have a choice, right? So we can record 1080p HD at 120 fps, 720 at 240 fps, and 1080p HD at 240 fps high efficiency. So let me explain what on earth each setting means. So 1080p at 120 fps means it will be a 4-time slowdown. So when you're recording, what you're watching will be 4 times slower than real life, right? Because it's going to be slowed down to 30 fps, and that is a 4-time slowdown. P 720p at 240 fps is double that. That's 8 times slowdown. However, the resolution is 720p, which is lower than the native iPhone's resolution, so I wouldn't recommend recording that. But finally, we have 1080p HD at 240 fps high efficiency. So if we enable this, we can record slow motion video 1080p, again 8 times slower. The problem is we can only view this recording on our MacBook Pro, MacBook Air running macOS, I think it's High Sierra or newer, or macOS Sierra or newer, or on our iPhone. If you connect this to a Windows computer, you will not be able to view the video. So I'm going to set 1080p at 240 fps, as all my devices are Apple products nowadays. I have a Windows computer, but that's irrelevant. And then once we've done this, we can go to the camera roll. We just want to swipe right until we see slow-mo. And here we go. You can see right now, we are ready to record slow motion video. So what I'd recommend you do is a couple of options you can take. First of all, if you're running iOS, I think it's like 13.3 newer, you can actually tap here directly to choose HD, which is 1080p, or 720p if you prefer that. And then you can also choose a frame rate by just tapping that as well. So we'll be recording 1080p at 240 frames per second. And you're going to notice the camera's a lot more jittery and a lot more responsive compared to normal 60 fps. You can see it's a bit more laggy. Again, that's because we're recording at a higher frame rate. And so all you want to do, I recommend you get a tripod. I don't really know what you're planning on recording, but if you want to, you can also hold right here. So you're going to let me do it. There we go. And we can enable the AEF lock. This you should enable if when you move the phone up and down, it will change the exposure for the best lighting. Sometimes you want the lighting to stay the same wherever the phone's positioned. So if you want that to happen, just turn this on. Although most people, you just want to record slow-mo, so we'll just turn it off. So what we're going to do is we'll just tap on the slow-mo button, and now slow-mo video is being captured. So we can move around. Maybe we can shake this phone. There we go. There's no real time limit on how long you can record. And once you're done, just tap on the stop button. Now, technically we recorded slow motion video, but if we watch it back, you can see it's full speed for the most part. So how do we customize this? We're going to tap on edit, and here you go. So you can see right here, this part is the regular speed, this part is the slow motion, and this part is the normal speed. So you can see what I recommend you do is you just swipe this across to make sure the full video is in slow motion. And so if we just watch it again, look how slow that is, right? You can see it's extremely slow. And if we just disable the slow motion, it's a bit laggy. Let's try this now. You can see that's the normal quality. So if you want the full video to be slow motion, you know what to do. If you want part of it to be slow motion, you also know what to do. You can also hold across by this bar to crop the video. There you go. You can crop it to only be 11 seconds long. You can also do it here as well. You can't crop the middle chunks of the video out, just so you know. And so we'll just make the full thing slow motion right here. Then we'll tap on done. And here's the final result. So you can see I recorded like 12 seconds. Now the video is 1 minute 54. And you can see how slow it is, right? Let's have a look at the phone shaking. Look how, I mean, look at this. Look how slow the phone's shaking. So that's how to record slow motion video on your iPhone. The process is actually pretty darn simple. I want you to get used to it. I think it's pretty darn cool. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.